Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll guide you how to install LCTX Tire Changer Machine. When you purchase the LCTX Tire Changer, you'll receive two boxes. Box A and Box B. Open both boxes and ensure that the following components are included: hub adjustment assembly, large cylinder and foot pedal assembly, push rod assembly, bead breaker arm assembly, cone for securing the wheel hub center hole, large nut for locking the cone, wheel hub securing and rotation assembly, tire pry bar, stabilizing stand for the tire changer, bracket for mounting the large cylinder, screws for mounting the bead breaker arm, screws for mounting the large cylinder, hex wrench, crescent locking wrench. Let's get started for LCTX Tire Changer installation. Step 1. Insert the bracket for mounting the large cylinder into the stabilizing stand. Step 2. After securing the bracket, insert the bead breaker arm assembly. Insert the screws and tighten them to secure the bead breaker arm. Step 3. Insert the large cylinder and foot pedal assembly into the bead breaker arm assembly. Use the screws to secure the large cylinder by tightening both ends. Step 4. Insert the wheel hub securing and rotation assembly into the stand, then insert the cone for securing the wheel hub center hole and tighten the large nut. Step 5. Connect the large cylinder and foot pedal assembly to the hub adjustment assembly. And then insert the push rod assembly. And that's it. You've successfully installed the LCTX Tire Changer. Thank you for watching. Hello, welcome. In this video, we will guide you through using the LCTX Tire Changer to remove a tire on a rim. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove the valve stem. Remove the valve stem to release all the air from the tire. Use a valve stem remover to unscrew and remove it. Step 2. Break the bead. Position the tire in the bead breaker with the valve stem at the top. Remember to keep a 6-inch distance between them. Align the edge of the shovel with the edge of the rim, ensuring it doesn't contact the rim directly to avoid damage. Use the foot pedal to break the bead. Rotate the tire 180 degrees and repeat. Step 3. Mount the tire on the machine. Place the tire on the fixed hub and rotating assembly's axle. Lock the wheel on the machine tightly with a crescent locking wrench. Install the tire changer duck head adapter kit assembly on the hub and rotating assembly's axle. Make sure the valve stem is right below the tire changer duck head's yellow protective pad. Use a hexagon wrench to adjust the hub adjustment assembly length of the tire. Adjust the height of the tire bird head to fit the edge of the rim. Ensure there is a 0.3-inch space and 0.15-inch height between the duck head and the edge of the rim. Finally, tighten the hub adjustment assembly screw, making sure it is tightened and in the right position. Step 4. Remove the tire from the rim. Using the tire prying bar, position it against the edge of the rim using the knob at the top. To avoid damage, use the lever to pry on the duck's beak, not the rim. Push down on the left side of the tire prying bar and hold the bar. Apply lubricant, Rube Glide, along the tire bead and the rim's edge. Adjust the push rod assembly to the maximum angle, then lock it in the turn hub hole. Press the pedal to rotate and remove the tire. Repeat this procedure one more time. After the tire has separated from the rim with one full rotation, reposition the valve stem so that it is right below the tire changer duct head's yellow protective pad. Insert the tire prying bar into the base of the rim, then lift the tire by pushing down on the left side of the tire prying bar and hold the bar. Adjust the push rod assembly to the maximum angle and lock it in the turn hub hole. Finally, press the foot pedal to rotate and remove the tire. And that's it. You've successfully removed the tire using the LCTX Tire Changer. Thank you for watching. Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through using the LCTX Tire Changer to install a tire onto a rim. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the rim and tire. Begin by inspecting the rim to ensure it's clean and free of any damage, which will help prevent issues during installation. Next, apply a generous amount of tire lubricant to the tire beads. This will make it easier to slide the tire onto the rim and reduce the risk of damage. Step 2. Install the lower bead of the tire. Position the lower bead of the tire over the edge of the rim, carefully placing it onto the duct head. Ensure the valve stem is positioned opposite the duct head's yellow protective pad. Adjust the push rod assembly to the maximum angle, then lock it into the turn hub hole. Press the pedal to rotate the wheel and install the tire. Repeat this process once more. Once you hear a pop sound, push the tire into the rim to complete the lower bead installation. Step 3. Install the upper bead of the tire. Carefully place the upper bead of the tire onto the duct head, using the tire prying bar to push the rim edge into the inner wheel hub. Ensure the valve stem is again opposite the duct head's yellow protective pad. Double-check that the upper bead of the rim edge is securely pushed into the inner wheel hub. Press the foot pedal to rotate the wheel and install the tire. Repeat this process once more. Once you hear a pop sound, the tire is securely installed on the rim. Step 4. Finalize the installation. Use a crescent locking wrench to uninstall the tire changer duct head adapter kit assembly from the hub. Then, use a hexagon wrench to release the hub adjustment assembly. Remove your wheel from the LCTX Tire Changer, and there you have it, your tire is installed and ready for the road. Thank you for watching the LCTX Tire Changer installation.